All right, so in today's video, we are going to be going over this DeWalt SDS rotary hammer. Now, this one is the DCH273B. I purchased the two only options since I have multiple DeWalt batteries, but you could get them in different configurations with different types of batteries and carrying cases. You also have the option of getting the OSHA onboard extractor. It's sold separately. And then this one here retails for about $329. You can pick it up at your local Lowe's, Home Depot stores, or you can pick it up online. I'll put some links below if you want to check them out. They do help out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Now, this one is the SDS Plus, which is this style of bit, okay? Not the SDS Max, which is a bigger for heavier duty. Now, this is like a mid-size to heavy-duty type of chipping hammer. It does have brushless motor. It's a 20-volt rated, 2.1 joules of impact, 4,600 BPMs, 1,100 RPMs. 3-year warranty on the tool and 2-year service-free warranty. So we're gonna go ahead and go over all the details, go over the pros and the cons, take it out for a little test drive, see how it performs. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. So let's get right to it. All right, let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. Like I mentioned, this is a tool-only option, so you're not gonna get many accessories with it. Obviously, your manual, and you pretty much your tool. They're great to open up boxes. All right, so it does come with your stop guide, which is adjustable, your adjustable handle, which is pretty nice. You could pretty much go left or right on the unit, and you pretty much just twist and then you lock it, and you're pretty much good to go. You got yourself the adjustable depth. Okay, and then once you tighten it, then you're pretty much good to go. All right, so you have your full reverse, and you have your selector. You have to press a little button at the bottom, and you can go ahead and go, hammer only, hammer drill, or drill option. All right, so here you have your shock absorber, which is pretty much tied to the actual motor or like the drill itself. So you're gonna get a little bit of, the absorption of the impact, so you don't get so tired on your wrist. Okay, obviously this is for your battery insert. Okay, all right, so let's see how much weight it actually does have, because I've seen some different weights from different locations. All right, so I got 5 pounds 13 ounces, 5 pound 13 ounces. So let's go ahead and put a 4-amp battery on it, see how much more or less it weighs. So we got about 7.35 ounces, 7 pounds, 3.5 ounces with a 4-amp battery. All right, so with the battery on, you have different options. This one does come with a little LED here in the front. All right, just in case if you're doing something in a little darker room or in a tight location where you need to kind of see what's going on. Like I mentioned, you do have a brushless motor. You got your forward and reverse switch here. And like I mentioned, this is for your shock absorption. You do have a little clip right there, to clip it onto different options, and it is adjustable depending on how wide the location is. A nice little feature there. So if we put it on the drill, okay, then you have your hammer drill, and then your just hammer. Okay. All right, so when you're going to be installing your bit, make sure it's always nice and lubricated. There he goes. So if you're going to go hammer drill, or just drill, 1,100 RPMs. Very easy. Then to pull it out, you just pull back on the chuck, and it comes right out. Okay. Make sure if you are going to get bits, is the SDS Plus, not the Max, because these are only Plus. All right. Let me show you a different type of SDS hammer from DeWalt. Okay. This one here has the same options. You have your hammer drill, your hammer only, and your drill option. This one's a little longer. You also have the shock absorber here. So on my next video, we're gonna go ahead and compare both of them. and you know, go from there. But for the meantime, we're just going to go and do the, you know, 273. Okay, but they do have a different option. This is a little longer. Okay. All right, so if you want to go ahead and remove the handle, put it in the opposite side, even though you could just kind of twist it and then turn it to the other side. But if you want it on the upper section for more comfort, all you gotta do is twist it a little bit more and it comes right out. And again, you could just put it on the opposite side if you get tired or whatever the case may be. All right, so what I did, you know, purchased a kit, you know, with a bunch of different bits depending on which one you're gonna be using. Like I said, you know, make sure it's always, you know, have good lubrication. Push it in, it locks in, and then if you're doing just a hammer, all right, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out, see how it performs. All right, so let's go ahead and make sure that your bit is all the way in properly. You have set your depth guide. Make sure you have your hammer drill setting. You know, you have a nice fully charged battery and you're on forward. You do have the option of reversing if you get stuck. All right, let's give it a try. This is your depth guide, doing what it's supposed to do. And if you need your reverse, all right, let's give it one more try. There it goes. Beautiful. You don't even feel this thing. Absolutely awesome. Slow and steady, the way it should be. All right, let's go ahead and do the chipping hammer option. I'm gonna push back, pull out. In this case, we're gonna remove the depth guide. We don't ever need it. Tighten it real hard. All right. Grab your bit, whichever one you wanted to use. Okay. And then we're gonna insert it. Make sure it locks. All right. So let's say if it doesn't land exactly where you want it, the best way to do it is put it on drill. That way you can spin it. You know, if you want it this way, or you want it, you know, flat like that. And then you go ahead and put it back to chipping hammer. And then now it's locked. If you try to spin it while it's in the chipping hammer, it ain't gonna go anywhere. So, you know, this is the only option you could do it. Okay, and now you're ready to do the chipping. All right, make sure you wear eye protection. You don't want any of this stuff to kind of like, you know, fall in your eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. There you go. Beautiful. All right. This is, you know, depending on the bit, you know, it'll cut faster. Depending if you want to do surface or cut things in half. So that is your choice, depending on which bit you pick. All right, let's give one of these a try, see how chips it. Well, that seems pretty easy. All right, guys, this thing is pretty sweet. I really like it. Very, very smooth. All that impact is absorbed with the little shock that it has. And like I say, you have your little LED here for the evenings. Easy to work with chuck and handle. You have your option of, hammer drill, and just drilling. Very nice. And you could put the extractor on it if you like. You got the little clip right here. Very, very nice. Easy to use, forward and reverse, and the brushless motor. So definitely recommend it. You could check them out. Check out some of the links that do help out the channel if you want to pick one up. All right. Thanks for watching.